High dusting and restroom cleaning should be done during every routine deep clean and after any renovation or maintenance work that disturbs overhead dust. Target vents and air returns first, using an extendable Microfiber duster or a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to remove accumulated dust without blowing it into the room. Move to light fixtures next, turning off power at the switch, letting bulbs cool, and using a lint-free cloth or Microfiber sleeve on an extendable pole to capture dust. Clean glass or plastic diffusers with a mild detergent and dry thoroughly to avoid streaks. Wipe the tops of stall partitions and door frames where dust and paper fragments gather, working from the highest point down toward the center so dislodged particles fall to areas you will mop or vacuum next. Do door hinges, tops of dispensers and soap cabinets, and exposed ductwork, running a thin brush along seams and corners to reach compacted grime, and then follow with a dry Microfiber to trap loosened material. Pay attention to decorative ledges, crown molding, and any horizontal pipe runs. These are prime allergen collectors and will redeposit dust if not removed. Always finish high dusting immediately before surface cleaning and disinfecting so you remove any settled debris during the final wipe down and prevent recontamination of clean surfaces. Common mistakes include skipping vents because they are out of sight, which leads to poor air quality and reduced ventilation performance. Fix this by scheduling vents into every deep clean and using a vacuum to pull dust out rather than pushing it deeper. A second issue is using a dry broom or feather duster that only redistributes dust. Switch to Microfiber tools or vacuum attachments and capture particles rather than scattering them. Third, cleaning lights and electrical fittings without isolating power creates safety risks and can damage fixtures. Always turn off circuits or switches, allow bulbs to cool, and use insulated poles or tools designed for light fixtures. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice for projects like restroom maintenance and high dusting. Our community discussion boards let us and others share tips, ask questions, and post local recommendations so both homeowners and contractors can find work and resources.